Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speak English Like a Pro. Many people spend years learning English, but they still feel nervous when speaking. Why? Because they focus on grammar and memorization instead of real communication. Today, I will share 7 powerful habits that can help you improve your English faster than you think. Habit 1. Listen to English every day. Your brain learns language through exposure. Listen to English for at least 15 to 30 minutes daily. You can listen to podcasts, YouTube videos, audiobooks, English conversations. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Just keep listening. Over time, your brain will naturally recognize words and patterns. Habit 2. Read English every day. Reading helps you discover new vocabulary and sentence structures. Start with simple content. For example, short articles, news websites, children's stories, English learning blogs. Read slowly and focus on understanding. Even 10 minutes a day can make a big difference. Habit 3. Speak out loud. Many learners understand English but cannot speak it. Why? Because they never practice speaking. Read English sentences aloud. Repeat what native speakers say. Talk to yourself in English. The more you speak, the more confident you become. Habit 4. Learn phrases, not single words.